So it's been a while since I've uploaded a video on my channel, and I thought I might as well do an overview video of my new PC building project, which I'll be starting today. I might do some individual unboxing of some of the items, but I don't know because I'm recording with my iPod at the moment. And I'm going to start off with the motherboard. It's an ASUS motherboard, and it's the P8Z77VLX ATX motherboard, and it's an 1155 socket motherboard. Next is the processor. It's a new Ivy Bridge processor from Intel, and it's the Core i3 3220 processor. It's also 1155 socket, and here's the SSD, which is also from Intel. It's a 60 gig SSD, and it's the 330 series SSD. And here's the RAM. It's an 8 gig RAM from Kingston. It's a Kingston HyperX Predator, and it's clocked at 186600. And here is my graphic card, which I got, and it's from EVGA. It's the GeForce GTX 650, and it's a super clocked edition. I was gonna go for a 650 Ti, but I just didn't have enough money for it anyways, and I don't really game that much on my PC, so I think that'll do fine. Here is the network adapter which I got, and it's a 300 megabits per second wireless N adapter. It's a PCI network card. And here is the storage. I'm going to be using this as storage and my SSD as a boot drive, and I might put some applications on that. 60 gig is, I think it's more than enough for me. And this is a 500 gigabyte Western Digital hard drive. It's 7200 RPM hard drive. Here's the power supply. It's a 600 watt power supply, and it's from OCZ or OCZ, whatever way you want to pronounce that. It's the MODXSTREAM power supply. It says it's modular, but it's only like a semi-modular power supply. And next is the operating system, and I went with Windows 7 64-bit Home Premium OEM Systems Builders operating system. And here is the optical drive. It's just a standard optical drive from Pioneer, and it's the DVR 220BK. Nothing I can really say about an optical drive. That's about it. Next I'm going to be going on to the monitor, and this is one of my favorite items which I bought. Oh, and by the way, this is a whole setup, full setup build. It's going to include like a new monitor slash, I actually don't have a monitor at the moment, so I had to buy a monitor. It's 21.5 inches, and it's an LED monitor. It's full HD as well, and it supports VGA, DVI. No, I don't think it has DVI. I think it's just VGA and HDMI, but I'm not going to be using the VGA. And here is, I think this is probably my favorite out of everything. I know like the graphic card is good as well, but I think the case is just fantastic. It's a ZALMAN Z11 Plus high performance case. It's a mid-tower ATX case, and it comes supplied with 5 fans already, and 2 LED fans. They're blue. I really like this case, and I would highly recommend it. I think that's everything. Oh, and I have a few accessories as well, which I got on eBay. And this is a USB 3.0 adapter for the case. Oh yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about the case, is the USB 3.0 at the top here. The cables are the ones that you get where you plug at the back of the motherboard, and that's kind of the only downfall about this case. But despite that, you can just get an adapter. I got this for €4 on eBay. And I also got this HDMI to HDMI mini cable. That will be for the sorry about that. That will be for the graphic card, because it only has a DVI, VGA I think, and HDMI mini. So I had to get that. I think that's everything. If I'm forgetting anything else, I'll just add it onto the video later on. Like I said, I might do an individual unboxing of some of the items. but I just need to see how that goes, because even right now I'm kind of struggling to hold this iPod with just one hand. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.